The use of wood in contemporary interior design in Dubai reinterprets concepts such as statement walls, high beams, completed ceilings, and treated floors. Wood spontaneously provides decency to homes where steel and concrete have been intensely employed because of its earthly tone and natural texture. It gives a space a grounded feel and offers modern rooms a touch of rustic inspiration. Family rooms with wooden panels were popular in the 1980s, but today's wood-clad walls in Dubai are inspired by the elegant simplicity of Arabic design and overseas minimalism. For example, instead of using dark colors, neutral tones are frequently used to create a calm environment that is simple to decorate with a monochromatic color scheme or an unexpected flash of color. Interior designers in Dubai can utilize wood panels as a feature corner wall to add variety and contrast to the simple concrete, brick, or stone surroundings. With that in mind, here are some creative uses of wood in home decoration. What are some good and small wood projects? Want to construct a new project? Take a look at these cool ideas you can construct. The best part is that they only need a few basic tools and some good old-fashioned labor. They don't need a full workshop or years of woodworking skill. Wood-framed media wall. Make your own media box to create a tidy and clutter-free TV area. The warm, cozy quality of wood is the ideal contrast to the cutting-edge technology the project would support and be useful for. When you have visitors over, it is a fantastic discussion starter. Make a wooden chopping board and serving tray. A simple, lovely board is perfect for slicing, dicing, and serving. You can easily dry fit the components, scribe the arc, and adhere everything together. To scribe the arcs, you can use a 4-foot steel ruler, although a yardstick or other thin board would also work. Straightforward wall shelf. Making a straightforward wall shelf out of a pallet is a simple project that won't tire you out with hard work. The hardest part of this project would be cutting the pallets, which calls for the use of a sawzall. Screwing the wood pieces into position and applying your finishing touches are the final steps. You can also use decorative wall shelves as wood bathroom wall decor. Nowadays, numerous interior design Dubai experts use wood in sanitary works and fit-outs. Booster stool for shoe storage. You just have to spare an hour constructing this useful stool, then store it in your closet.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.